Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you a quick tip on how to get colored lighting from your phone. In certain photography stores, you can get these gel samples like you can get in paint stores. And it's very simple. You just you pick a color that you like, you test it with the flashlight, and I really like this, say, blue. So we're just gonna cut a piece of this off. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing my mini gel over the flashlight on my phone. And you can do this with any lights. You can do this with headlamps, you can do this with everyday flashlights. But the trick is then you turn on your flashlight and bam, you have a colored light from your phone. And with this lighting hack, you can do stuff like this, where you have your red light here and you have your green light here. And it doesn't even need to be phones. You can just use any flashlights or headlamps or anything that you can find that has a source of light. And you can either use this lighting for just a glow, or you can use it for very harsh colors. Let me show you. So this is the same red and green. So right now we're getting a very Christmassy vibe. And you can do stuff like teal and orange. Like this. We have our teal light here and we have our orange light here. Now, this is just a very easy, simple, and fun hack. And it's really just good to play around with these kind of things. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I'd like to hear what some of your cheap lighting and camera hacks are in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and stay creative.